Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your Facebook friends with only one click. Let's launch the Facebook app first. Let's go ahead and click on your profile picture. Then when you're at your profile, I want you to click on friends as an option. In this particular example, I'm going to show you how to delete your friends. For example, let's say I want to delete this account over here. All I'm going to do is to click here and then unfriend. It's very simple. In this particular example, you will see that I was able to unfriend the person with only one click. On the flip side, if you have a bunch of friend requests over here, right? If you have a bunch of friend requests, this is how you're going to delete friend requests as well. So you see I have a bunch of friend requests. I can simply delete and delete. This is how you delete friends from your friends list and your friend request at the same time with only one click. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.